Welcome back to Jay Get It, Financial Education. Let me start with something real. You applied for credit, you felt hopeful, and then, denied. That moment hits hard. But today, I'm going to show you something powerful. That denial letter you received? It's not just bad news. It's actually your roadmap to approval. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what that letter means, and how to fix your credit situation fast. Let's get into it. First, here's something most people don't know. When a lender denies your application, they are legally required to explain why. This is called an adverse action notice. It's required under federal law to protect consumers and ensure transparency in lending. That letter exists to help you, not hurt you. So the process usually looks like this. You apply for credit, then you're denied, and suddenly you're left wondering, what happened? What went wrong? What do I do now? That's where the letter comes in. A few days later, this shows up in your mailbox. Or your email. This is your credit decision letter, also known as your notice of adverse action. Don't ignore it. This document holds the answers. An adverse action happens anytime credit becomes less favorable. That includes credit denied, account closed, credit limit reduced, interest rate increased. Any of these changes trigger a notice. And that notice must explain what happened. Here's the key. They must explain. Not vaguely, not emotionally, mathematically. Your lender must tell you the specific reasons behind their decision. Every adverse action letter must include lender information, the action taken, the reasons, or your right to request them, your consumer rights, and the regulating agency. This ensures transparency and gives you the ability to take action. Let me say this clearly. This letter equals power. It tells you exactly what's blocking your approval. Once you understand that, you can fix it. Here's your simple game plan. Step 1. Read the letter carefully. Step 2. Pull your credit report. Step 3. Fix the top reason first. Don't try to fix everything at once. Focus on the biggest blocker. That's how you move forward faster. Let's decode what lenders usually mean when they deny credit. Most denials come down to 4 core areas: high credit utilization, not enough credit history, too many inquiries, debt-to-income ratio. Let's break these down. High credit utilization means your balances are too close to your limits. Even if you pay on time, maxed out card signal risk. Quick fix: pay balances down below 30% of your limit. Lower utilization can improve your score surprisingly fast. This usually means your credit file is too thin. You haven't built enough track record yet. Solutions include secured credit cards, credit builder loans, being added as an authorized user. You don't need debt, you need history. Every hard inquiry slightly impacts your score. Too many in a short time tells lenders you may be desperate for credit. Rule of thumb: pause applications for 60 to 90 days and let your profile cool off. Debt to income compares how much you owe to how much you earn. If too much of your income is already committed, lenders worry about repayment. Improving this means paying down debt, increasing income, or both. Here's a truth bomb. Credit is mathematical, not emotional. The system doesn't care how hard you're trying. It only looks at numbers. Once you understand that, you stop taking denials personally, and start fixing strategically. Let's also be clear about your rights. Credit decisions cannot be based on race, gender, age, religion. You are protected by law from discrimination in lending. If something feels wrong, trust your instincts. If something feels off, you can take action. You can file complaints. You can request explanations. You can escalate concerns. You are not powerless. Business owners, this matters for you too. If your business credit is denied, you can request written reasons. Don't just accept a no. Ask why. That's how you improve your next application. Most people stay stuck because they ignore the letter, don't pull their reports, try to fix everything at once, keep reapplying without changing anything. That cycle keeps you trapped. But today, you're breaking it. Here's your reset checklist. Read the letter. Pull your credit reports. Identify the blocker. Create a 30-day plan. Reapply strategically. That's how you turn a denial into an approval. A denial is not the end of your story. It's just feedback. Your credit journey is still being written. When you understand how credit works, you stop guessing. You start building. And that's what Jay Get It is all about. If this video helped you, do me a favor. Like, subscribe, comment, credit, below, and share this with someone who just got denied. Because now you know, that letter isn't rejection, it's instruction. Until next time, Jay get it. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.